Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the best themes aimed at you, the coach. You're looking to build your coaching business, you're looking to build your coaching website, and you're looking at some of the best options. And one of them is WordPress, but you also need the right theme. I'm here to help you with that choice. At WP Tonic, we specialize in helping coaches on WordPress. Got a load of information to share with you. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Hi there. So I'm coming back, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the best options for you if you're looking to build your coaching business on WordPress, which I think is an excellent idea. Gives you full control of your digital business. Unlike some of the SaaS platforms, you can keep the costs under control. And the main thing is you can really brand your website and you have maximum control and ownership. Now, in this video, I said talking about themes, but the world of WordPress is fundamentally changed over the last couple of years because you've got either page builders that have their own library of what they call starter templates or starter websites. These terms tend to be used a lot in these kind of modern page builders, or there's a page website building technology inbuilt into WordPress called Gutenberg. And some of the third-party solutions out there utilize this core technology, and they have themes, starter websites, starter templates in a kind of library kind of setup. So to really get the power of WordPress, you're going to have to use a page builder, and it'll either be one that isn't based on Gutenberg or is. Now, to start off with, for speed and flexibility, I don't think you can beat choosing Gutenberg if you're building your own website based on a starter theme, a starter website. Now, one of the best solutions, in my opinion, is Cadence WP. It comes free, and it also has a pro version. The pro version has some fantastic added technology, but the free product also works well. One of the factors with the pro version is you get a library of great starter themes, starter templates. And at WP Tonic, we've added to it with another selection of starter templates that is specifically aimed at the coach. So you get that if you host with WP Tonic. It's a great solution. It's powerful. It's quick to load. Now, another solution is Astra. Astra for Gutenberg or Astra for Elementor. Elementor is a page website building technology built on WordPress, but it isn't Gutenberg based. It also with third-party page builders like Astra, you get added starter themes, more choice, basically. Another really popular page builder that's not based on Gutenberg is Divi. Now, Divi has a selection of inbuilt starter themes, starter websites, but it's also got a third-party marketplace with an extra selection of website themes, website starter templates. Now, they're free of some of the major players when it comes to page builders, website builders based on WordPress. There's must be half a dozen other ones like Breakdance, Oxygen, Bricks. There's a number of others. I'm just pointing out 3 to 4 that I think is suitable for you trying to build your website on WordPress. Now, there's the other option to go the kind of more traditional route of buying a singular theme from a marketplace like Theme Forest, and there's some others like that. I would strongly advise you in 2024 not to do that. It can be attractive. I think you will get more power, more control, and more flexibility if you go with a specific page builder and then choose one of the starter themes or starter websites that comes with that particular page builder, or you can buy a third party setup that works with that particular website builder. WordPress is rapidly changing. Hopefully in this video, I've given you some clear advice. I've also written an article that goes into some of the major themes, singular themes, and also the leading page builders with prices and a load more additional information. You find the link for that particular article in the video description underneath this video. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. It really encourages me to make more of these videos, and it shows YouTube that I'm doing something right. So if you can do that, I'll be much appreciative. Hopefully you found this video useful. Ring that bell, give us the thumbs up. That would be great. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.